back to my channel. This video I will be sharing with you how I achieved my high puff with a little bit of gel and without a comb. So I think in this clip, I don't remember what I was saying, but I know that I have moisturized my hair the night before, so my hair was a little bit wet in the morning before doing this high puff. So the high puff was not such a high puff. It was a little bit sad and drippy. And don't forget to subscribe, like, share and comment, and please click on the bell notifications so you will know when I post a new video. I am going to show you guys the products that I use to achieve this hairstyle. This product I ended up not using it because my hair was a little bit dense, so when my hair is wet it doesn't do too well with my hair with leave-in conditioner. And let me tell you about this leave-in conditioner, this Kid leave-in conditioner, amazing. So try it and let me know, guys. I'm using the flaxseed gel by Aunt Jackie and a little bit of eco gel for the front of my hair. Here I'm showing you guys how the front of my hair has been growing with the oil that I made. And if you guys haven't watched that video, go check it out, and I'll post it in the comment below, the description box, sorry. As you can see in this clip, that there's a lot of white things on my hair. It's no worry, it's just the gel and the conditioner. When it mixes together, it creates that effect. So as I brush my hair, and the product will just go away. I'll just advise you to use the Aunt Jackie flaxseed gel, because that gel is not harsh and it also leaves your hair moisturized, very moisturized. So if you're not big on gel, or you don't want to apply gel to your hair, that's the best option. I mean, at least for me, it's when I use it, I don't feel like anxious about I need to wash my hair the next day. I need to wash my hair, because I'm really not I'm not big on gel at all. I think because I'm a lazy natural. Here I'm showing you guys what I'm using to pull my hair up. So since I've been natural, I've been using stockings. I will buy a stocking and just cut the leg of it and use it for my hair. I find it to be less harsh on my hair. It doesn't cause any tension compared to other elastic scrunchie, because that will cause harsh tension on your hair. And I cannot use a regular scrunchie because it will pop and the style will not come out decent or how I want it to look. So and the stocking is very soft, so that's what I've been using to do my high puff or any ponytail. Okay guys, I'm back with the hair. I'm about to take it out have this so I could fluff the hair. See this? I don't know how the back looks like, but no, I'm kidding. Now I'm gonna just do a little bit of I don't even like to do that. A little bit of along the edges. Just to me, that's already good the way it was, but I'm just gonna give it a little bit of feminine. It's gonna make makeup a bit so I'm using the Eco Gel. Very little I'm using, and as you can see, the front of my hair is really growing. I need a mirror to do this. I'm sorry guys, I need a mirror because I can't do this without using a mirror. And that's about it. Thank you for watching. I hope you guys enjoy. This is how I get my high puff. It's really not really that high because, and I feel like the back is frizzy a little bit, but this is how I get my bun. Could be bigger, but I'm not in the mood for it to be bigger. Thank you for watching. I'll see you on the next video. Alright? Have a wonderful, a peaceful, a joyful, and a blessed weekend. Day.